Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing not just a craft, I am sharing a feeling, a story made with handmade patience and heart. In a world where everything moves so fast, something the most beautiful things are created. When we slow down and look at what we already have, old things, simple jute and recycled materials that were once ignored. Most people see waste, but a creator sees possibility. This craft begins with something very simple. Natural twigs collected from the ground, dry, imperfect yet strong. Each twig carries a story of wind, rain and time. I gently clean them, not to erase their history, but to prepare them for a new life. Jute is not just a robe, it is warmth, it is earth, it is honesty. As I wrap the jute around the twigs, I feel connected to nature. No plastic shine, no artificial beauty, just raw texture and real soul. Every knot reminds me that beauty does not need perfection. These materials were once forgotten old jars, leftover wood pieces, broken decor items, but today they are becoming something meaningful. Recycling is not only about saving money, it is about respect for nature and respect for creativity. Slowly, very slowly, everything starts to come together. The twigs form of shape, the jute holds them with care, decor elements add a gentle charm. This moment is magical because transformation is happening not only in the craft but inside us too. Sometimes when life feels heavy, creating something with your hands brings peace to your heart. This craft reminds us that even broken things can become beautiful again, just like life. And here it is. And here it is, a rustic handmade decor piece, simple, natural, elegant, perfect for a wall, a door, or a cozy corner of your home. It doesn't shout for attention, yet it quietly steals hearts. If you enjoyed this creative journey, remember, you don't need expensive supplies to create beauty. You only need imagination and the courage to begin. Reuse, recycle, create. Thank you for spending these peaceful moments with me in this video. Touch your heart. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, keep crafting with love. So viewers, hope you're enjoying these ideas and designs. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Have amazing crafty ideas. Keep crafting. Keep creating something beautiful. I wish your home fulfilled with love, creativity, and many more you want to have in your life. You achieve that. Before we end this video, take a moment and really look at what we have created. This is not just home decor. This is time turned into beauty. This is patience shaped by hands. Every recycled piece